there is love. Where there is love, there is peace. Where there is a peace, there is God. And when there is a God, there is everything. Yes, true faith is a whole soul commitment to God. Christmas is not necessarily about things. It's about being connection. It's about being one another. It's about having endorsements of love, satisfactions, emotions, others. It's about faith, it's about love, it's about kindness. Good morning to our Honorable Chairman, Ms. Lucy Singh, Honorable Secretary, Mrs. Saurabh Giri, respected teachers, and my dear students, whose presence embarks today's auspicious moment. Myself, Supreet Mazumdar, and today it's a great honor for me to say a few lines on this beautiful occasion. Christmas Day. What is Christmas all about? It's a day of love. It's a day of brotherhood. It's a feast day of Christ, and it refers to the birth of Jesus. This day is celebrated to pay an honor to support His people. People of different religions celebrate this day. And it's a belief that Jesus Christ was a Jewish rabbi who used to preach his message to people orally. He taught people to follow the path of goodness and yes, to believe in Almighty. Children feel so happy and special as they receive a lot of gifts and surprises from their parents, from their friends, relatives. They believe that Santa planned gifts for them at night. Christmas is a symbol of emotion, the symbol of joy, hope, and happiness. If we really want to give someone on this day, I think to the bottom of my heart and from the deep core, nothing seems to be better to forgive your enemy, by which you can easily retrieve the path of salvation in your life. While this, I conclude with my speech. May this Christmas overwhelm your life with joy, prosperity, and 24/7 faith in God. I wish you all a very blessed Christmas and prosperous 2023. Thank you.